What's up, YouTube? I'm on my way out to the farm this fine morning. It's like mid-40s out here. It's a beautiful fall day, but it feels like, you know, -20 to me because I just came back last night from Florida. We spent a week down there for vacation. It's much needed. It was gorgeous down there. It was like 80, upper 80s when we left, and we landed in Pittsburgh and it was like 30, 32, something like that. So it's a little cold for me this morning, but we'll get back into it. So back to reality, I'm on my way out to the farm, like I said, because the Ritchie Brothers auction went off right before I left for vacation, and I might have had to stick another iron into the fire and pick up a little something. So apologize for the video quality today. I have to shoot this on my phone because I turned my GoPro on to start this video, and it says, there's no memory card in here. So I'm not turning around for a memory card. Hopefully what I've got to do out here won't take too long, and you guys will check out the little surprise here in a minute. If you're a first timer to my channel, this is my 1957 AutoCar DC-103. There's another video on my channel about me getting this thing, but anyway, I picked this truck up almost a year ago now, and it is my eventual dream. I want to restore this truck to a good quality working condition so that I can pull around my bigger equipment and go to like the steam show that I've also covered on my channel. But anyway, the crunch is on now because I have a trailer sitting out there in the field that I can't even move until I get this thing running because it is my only semi-tractor. I could probably drag it around with a dozer, but I'd really rather not do that and tear something up. But I have no doubt that this thing will fire right up pretty easy. I just haven't had the chance to really spend the time and tinker with it. It's got some electrical gremlins, I know, but it's got a 180 naturally aspirated Cummins in it, so old bulletproof technology. I'm sure it'll fire right up. But anyway, that's another video. Now, I'm sure you're all going to be stunned when I tell you I didn't actually need to buy this thing, but I've been told that the time to buy something rare is when you see it. And I've never seen one of these before, and I've kind of been keeping my eye open for one to go behind the AutoCar. So here's what I bought. This is my new to me 1964 Army LowBoy trailer. And it is a heavy duty trailer. And this is actually my first time seeing it. Like I said, I was on vacation and I had to have this thing out of the auction grounds by the 8th of November, so I called around, got somebody I know to bring it here for me, and the neighbor let him in and told him where to dump it. And I'm actually surprised they got it down here where it is. It's not in my way at all where he put it. It's a great spot. So happy with that. I thought I was going to have to come out here and move it today. I thought it was blocking my driveway. So let's check out this trailer here a little better. What really caught my eye about this trailer is it's period correct to go behind my AutoCar. My AutoCar is a 57. This trailer is made in 64, but according to what I read online, these M171A, I think is what it is. M172A1. They were made from like 53 to 70 something or 80 something. Anyway, they're all the same. So this trailer is exactly the same as like the 50s model, or it should be at least. So to me, that's period correct enough to go behind a 57 AutoCar. It's practical for what I need. It's short enough where I can take it on some tight roads and things like that. And I really like Army design is overbuilt. You know, if you've ever been around anything Army, it's always overbuilt. There's a ton of D-rings all along the side, so there's plenty of places to lash equipment down at. It's rated for 25 tons if you put it on a, what truck does it say? Where did it say? M52 truck. So I just got to figure out what the specs are on an M52 truck. I think that's probably a tandem axle, so I don't think I'll be able to haul 25 tons with the AutoCar since it's only a single axle. Either way, it's going to have plenty of strength to haul my dozer. My dozer weighs about 30,000 pounds, and right now I don't have a way to haul it. I have to pay somebody if I want to move it. One thing I'm not completely sold on yet about this trailer is these ramps. What's cool about them as that they have this flange back here that engages on the trailer. Now, most of the time you're going to want to load over the back. But if the site you're unloading or loading into doesn't permit that and you don't want to tear up the road or whatever, that flange that those engage to goes all the way around the trailer, which is really cool. So I could just spin the dozer or the hoe or whatever it is up there on the deck, take it right down off the side, and not tear up anything but my floorboards. Another cool feature of this trailer is it's got these nice big deep stake pockets down in here. I mean, I can fit my whole arm down inside of these stake pockets. So you know what that's perfect for? Log stands. So I'll be able to haul some big timber on here if I have the need. The trailer's in excellent shape structurally. I haven't seen anything bent, twisted, broken, cracked. The only thing I've noticed that is bad about it is the tires are questionable. This one here's pretty good. This one here's got some dry rot going on it. They probably all need checked out and gone through. So aside from needing tires and the deck replaced, it's pretty good shape. The only other thing I know I need to fix is this ramp. I don't need to fix it, but I want to fix it. You can see that one's nice and straight, but this one has a nice concave arc to it. So we're going to have to probably take that to work and use a 374 to bend that back, because it's going to take a lot of pressure to bend that thing back. I can't even roll it over to show you what it looks like underneath them. If I find a bar or something, I might flip it over, but it's a stout ramp. So it's going to take a lot of force to bend that back. I don't have any equipment near big enough for that myself. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And give me a thumbs up if you want to see this old beast fire up and hook to that Army trailer out in the field and pull something around with it. I'm excited. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.